Welcome to our gaming CPU showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two of the most talked about processors on the market, the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X and the Intel Core i7-14700K. With the rise of gaming and content creation, choosing the right CPU is crucial for performance. We'll explore their specifications, price points, and performance metrics to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The AMD Ryzen 5-7600X features a traditional architecture with 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a solid choice for gaming. In contrast, the Intel Core i7-14700K boasts a hybrid architecture with 20 cores, combining 8 performance cores and 12 efficiency cores. This design not only enhances multitasking capabilities, but also provides a significant advantage in demanding applications like video rendering and streaming. While the Ryzen 5 focuses on gaming performance, the i7-14700K is built for heavy workloads, making it a versatile option for power users. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X is priced at $299, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers looking for solid performance. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-14700K comes in at a higher price of $464, reflecting its advanced architecture and capabilities. While the Ryzen 5 offers great value for gaming, the i7-14700K's higher price may be justified for those who need exceptional performance in multi-threaded tasks and gaming. Power consumption is another critical factor to consider. The AMD Ryzen 5-7600X has a TDP of 105 watts, making it relatively energy efficient and easier to cool. In contrast, the Intel Core i7-14700K has a higher power base of 125 watts, which can lead to increased heat output and may require more robust cooling solutions. While both processors are unlocked for overclocking, the Ryzen 5's lower power draw can be advantageous for users looking to build a quieter and cooler system. In conclusion, the choice between the AMD Ryzen 5-7600X and the Intel Core i7-14700K ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that excels in gaming, the Ryzen 5 is a fantastic choice. However, if you require a powerhouse for multitasking and demanding applications, the i7-14700K is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.